Imagine this. Right now, as you're watching this video, someone out there could be tracking your exact location without you ever realizing it. What if I told you that, with just a few clicks and some free tools anyone can access online, I could find out where you are, what city you're in, or even the street you're standing on? It sounds like something out of a spy movie, but it's not fiction. The truth is, hackers and cybercriminals do this every single day, and it's shockingly easy. With the right know-how, tracking someone's location online has become almost effortless. You don't need to be a tech genius or have expensive software. The tools are out there, and they're often free. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Please never use these tools for anything illegal or unethical. Knowledge is power, but it comes with responsibility. First up, let's talk about IP Logger, a tool that's as sneaky as it is simple. This is one of the oldest tricks in the hacker's playbook, and it's still incredibly effective today. Hackers love IP Logger because it doesn't require any advanced skills or complicated coding. All it takes is a little social engineering and a convincing message. Picture this. You're chatting with someone online, maybe a new friend, a stranger, or even someone pretending to be someone you know. Suddenly, they send you a link, maybe to a funny meme or a viral video. You click on it, have a quick laugh, and then forget about it. It seems harmless, right? But in that split second, something important has happened behind the scenes. By clicking that link, you've unknowingly handed over your IP address. Think of it as your digital street address. It's a unique number that reveals your general location and can be used to track your online activity. Hackers use IP Logger to create tracking links that look completely normal. Sometimes they disguise them as images, files, or even harmless-looking URLs. The moment you click, the hacker's tool quietly logs your IP address, your browser type, your operating system, and even a rough estimate of your physical location. All this happens without you ever realizing it. Now, think about how many links you click on every single day, whether it's in emails, social media, or group chats. Each one could be a potential trap if you're not careful. Any one of those links could be a cleverly disguised attempt to steal your information. It only takes one careless click. The scary part? Hackers don't need to be tech geniuses. With tools like IP Logger, anyone can set up a tracking link in minutes. It's all about tricking you into clicking. Once you've clicked, hackers can see a map with digital pins showing where each victim is located. They can even track multiple people at once, building a network of targets. So, how do you protect yourself from this kind of sneaky attack? Always be suspicious of links from strangers, especially if they're shortened, look odd, or come out of nowhere. If something feels off, trust your instincts and don't click. Use a VPN to mask your real IP address. If you accidentally click a tracking link while connected to a VPN, the hacker will only see the VPN's location, not your actual one. Stay alert and cautious. The internet is full of clever tricks, and the next tool we'll cover is even sneakier. So keep watching to learn how to stay safe. Next up, we have Grabify, a tool that's become infamous in the world of online tracking and digital traps. Grabify takes the basic trick used by IP Logger and pushes it to a whole new level, making it even more dangerous and effective for cybercriminals. With Grabify, hackers can generate links that perfectly mimic those from trusted, well-known sites. Think YouTube, Amazon, or even popular news outlets. These links are designed to look completely harmless, blending in with the real thing. The bait is almost impossible to resist. On social media, these links can display convincing previews, making them seem even more legitimate and tempting to click. But the moment you click, Grabify springs into action. It doesn't just grab your IP address, it scoops up a treasure trove of information. Your device type, operating system, browser, battery level, internet service provider, and even your general location. All of this forms a detailed digital fingerprint unique to you. Hackers can use this data to build a comprehensive profile about you, your habits, your technology, and even your vulnerabilities. With this information, they can launch highly targeted attacks, such as phishing attempts or malware specifically tailored to your device and behavior. The Grabify dashboard neatly organizes all this data, displaying it on a world map and in detailed logs, making it easy for attackers to track and analyze their victims. What's truly alarming is how easy it is to use. Anyone can copy and paste a link. No advanced hacking skills required. Just a few clicks and the trap is set. To protect yourself, always hover your mouse over any link before clicking to reveal the real destination. This simple habit can save you from a lot of trouble. Be especially cautious with shortened URLs you don't recognize. If something feels off, it probably is. And remember, using a VPN can help mask your true location and IP address, adding an extra layer of protection, even if some device info still leaks. Stay alert and keep learning. There's a lot more to uncover in the world of online security. This one's terrifying. GeoFinder claims it can locate any phone using just a number. No app, no install, just your 10-digit number. The hacker enters your number, and GeoFinder sends you a text with a link disguised as something urgent. Click the link, and your phone asks for location permission, just like Google Maps or Uber. If you allow it, GeoFinder grabs your exact GPS coordinates and shows them to the hacker. No malware, no hacking, just social engineering. The weakest link is always human trust. Protect yourself. Be skeptical of unexpected texts, never click links from unknown senders, and deny location requests you didn't initiate. One careless click can give away everything. Hackers can use Google's Find My device and Apple's Find My to track you, if they get your account password. With access, they can see your phone's real-time location, make it ring, or even wipe it remotely. You'd never know they're watching. All it takes is a stolen password, often through phishing or weak security. They can track your daily routine, invade your privacy, and even erase your data. The solution? Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Even if a hacker gets your password, they can't log in without a second code. Secure your accounts now. This is non-negotiable. Social media is a goldmine for hackers, thanks to location tags and hidden photo data. Every check-in or tagged photo can reveal where you live, work, or hang out. Even private profiles aren't immune. EXIF data in photos can include exact GPS coordinates. Hackers can download your photo, run it through an EXIF viewer, and instantly see where it was taken. That sunset selfie? It might have just revealed your home. Solution: be mindful of what you share, avoid real-time check-ins, and turn off location tagging in your camera settings. Check your social media privacy settings and remove location data from posts. A little caution protects a lot of privacy. Wireshark is a packet sniffer that lets hackers intercept data on public Wi-Fi. On unsecured networks, they can see your usernames, passwords, and even your IP, giving away your location. By analyzing your traffic, they can guess what you're doing and where you are. Some apps even leak GPS data in unencrypted packets. Rule 1. Avoid public Wi-Fi for anything sensitive. If you must use it, always use a VPN. It encrypts your traffic and blocks snoopers. Don't make it easy for hackers to eavesdrop. Meet Creepy, a tool that automates social media stalking. Enter a username and Creepy scrapes platforms for every bit of location data, then plots it on a map. It finds check-ins, geotagged photos, and patterns in your movements. In minutes, a hacker can see your favorite spots and daily routines. The defense: lock down your privacy settings, make profiles private, remove old location tags, and turn off geotagging. If there's no public data, Creepy is useless. Control your digital footprint. Traceroute is an old-school tool that maps the path your data takes online. A hacker can use it to trace your connection back to your city and ISP, if they have your IP. Combined with other tools, it helps them target you more precisely. You can't block Traceroute, but you can hide your IP with a VPN. With a VPN, Traceroute leads only to the VPN server, not you. Protect your real location, always mask your IP. OpenCellED is a massive database of cell tower locations. If a hacker knows which towers your phone connects to, they can pinpoint your location using triangulation. This requires tricking you into installing a malicious app or exploiting network vulnerabilities. It's advanced but possible. Protect yourself by only installing trusted apps, checking permissions, and using mobile security tools. Don't let your phone become a tracking device. Maltego is the ultimate intelligence tool, used by pros and hackers alike. Start with an email, username, or phone number. Maltego scours the web, data breaches, and social media to build a web of connections. It can uncover your profiles, addresses, and even location data from years ago. The tool visualizes everything, revealing links you never knew existed. Protect yourself by compartmentalizing your online identity. Use different usernames and emails, limit public info, and check if your data's been breached. The less you share, the less Maltego can find. There you have it, 10 free tools hackers use to track your location. Now you know how to fight back. Be wary of links, use a VPN, lock down your social media, and enable two-factor authentication. Take a few minutes to check your security settings. It's a small step that can save you big headaches. You are your own best defense. If you learned something, hit like, comment your biggest surprise, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Stay safe out there.